Hey, Rainbow here. So I just bought a tinted Gran Touring screen, the windscreen here, for my Pikes Peak because it has virtually nothing on the Pikes Peak. And then this is the standard screen on a regular Ducati Multistrada V4S. If you're wondering what the difference is, and we line these up, what you will see essentially is that it's the exact same width. The only thing that's different is the top. That's really all you're looking at. You have maybe 2 inches in the middle, maybe 1.5 inches on each side, whatever that is in millimeter, that it's higher. So that's what you can see. That's the difference, all right? The width, the bottom, everything else is exactly the same. It's just the top is a little bit wider, and that is it. Just want to show you the difference between the Touring. This is tinted. It's not going to match exactly to, but it looks pretty good. That's the Touring, and it's a little bit taller. And that's Ian.
What up?
Say hello, Ian.
How are you?
How many bikes do you sell today, any?
None.
That's
Just
not
been
good.
hanging out. Another Saturday.
Okay, so now that you see how big this tinted, now this again is the Gran Touring windscreen for the Ducati Multistrada V4 series, okay? So you saw how much bigger it was only up top than the standard windscreen. So let's compare it to what's on the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. And as you can see here, there is an absolute significant difference in width and in height, okay? So this windscreen right here, it actually works pretty darn well, but it's not great if you're taking long trips or if you're gonna be on the highway at higher speeds for maybe more than, you know, a half an hour or so. It really starts to wear you down a little bit because it's what you expect. Now you can say, well, I ride a naked bike, this is no big deal. You're right, but this is why I purchased this right here, okay, is for the sole fact of when I go on longer trips, I need more protection. This here is minimal protection. It works, again, half decent. However, it's really made more for the track, and although it goes up, you know, a decent amount, it's still not quite enough, and you still have a decent amount of noise on it. So anyway, that's it. Thought I would show you the difference in sizes. One more look, okay? Here we go, or you can rewind, look at the other one, okay? Significant difference in the width and the height on the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak, but the good news is these are really easy to interchange. So you put on what you need for the day. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and have yourself a great day. Okay, bye-bye.